your engineers are spending hours for troubleshooting or aren't using your data at all. What if the same users could pinpoint problems within minutes, using data right from your process historian, all by themselves? Visplore is a radically different solution for AI-powered asset and process diagnostics. While your dashboards provide situation awareness only, Visplore complements them for learning why problems happened in the past and predicting them in the future. Most easy to use, most intuitive. Trusted by companies worldwide. Self-service analytics that will also take your digital journey an important step further. So, how does it work? Visplore runs on-premise and gets the data directly from your process historian and many other sources. No data duplication, no cloud. Merging data from multiple sources on the fly for the whole picture and analyzing them together. With a user-friendly plug-and-play integration to these sources. For diagnostics, Visplore combines AI-powered analytics with the expertise of your subject matter experts. To tell what's relevant, users simply mark up data right in pre-configured charts. For example, to compare the current asset behavior to normal operation. The AI suggests charts to explain what has changed. Users simply browse and interpret the results with their knowledge. That's root cause analysis at the speed of sight, for more awareness and less downtime. Also analyze patterns such as batch operations. Visplore finds them along the entire history and across assets. To correlate patterns with process outcomes instantly. For example, select and compare 2 batch campaigns to spot different operation patterns and their impact on yield. For process optimization, which has never been easier. Finally, turn insights into predictive watchdogs. Every user can set up automated alerts from advanced data patterns like anomalous batches, plant startups, or indications of a maintenance need. Define a pattern for matching based on historical data. And set up an email alert for notification in the future. It's just a few clicks. No coding, no effort for IT. Users can also configure their own automated reports within minutes. Delivered right into the inbox of colleagues who need to know. This way, your engineers make sure they never miss a critical state again. And stay ahead of trouble by taking the right actions in time. Customers all over the world empower their engineers with Visplore in power generation, utilities, pulp and paper, and many other industries, boosting their use of data, getting engineers inspired, and saving much money. This is a huge return on little invest. Still not convinced? See Visplore live and you will understand the difference. So let's get in touch and start your Visplore journey today.